While photographing at a ski event, one of the skiers ended up splashing the heck out of the crowd, and unfortunately my Nikon 50mm f1.8 lens got pretty drenched. So one of the tricks to dry it is people usually put their lens in a Ziploc bag with rice, but that takes a good 2 weeks to dry out, and I don't know if that makes any difference. But one trick I figured out is to use a hot plate that's used for candles. It gets pretty hot, so you cannot put the lens directly on there, but if you get a mug, said mug, put the rice in it to act as an insulator and a desiccant, take the lens, put it upside down in there, and just let it steam, and what you'll discover is it starts to leach out that water out of the front element. Do not put the lens connection side down, because if you do that, not only does it get rice particles in the very delicate mechanisms, but it also leaches that water towards this end. That's not something you want to do. You're going to try and suck the water out of the front end of this particular lens series. So you just drop that thing in there, and every hour just check it and wipe it out. And within 2 days, I sucked out a huge amount of water out of this lens and recovered it. The only thing I've discovered are a couple little dots on the lens.